Student, and today we discuss about formation of fruit and seed, structure of a seed and seed germination. In previous video already you know what is zygote and what is fertilization. What is zygote? Zygote is the fertilized cell, and fertilization is the process by which the male gamete unites with the female gamete to form a zygote. So what is formation of a fruit and a seed? How a fruit formate and seed formate? So after fertilization, the zygote develop into the embryo with a baby shoot and a baby root. So after fertilization, zygote तुम्हारा डेवलप होता है एक एम्ब्रॉय में, एंड दैट एम्ब्रॉय कम्स विथ ए बेबी सूट और बेबी रूट. हियर यू कैन सी हाउ ए बेबी सूट एंड बेबी root grow, how a embryo develop, then your baby shoot and baby root comes out, and how they are growing. You can see clearly here. With the zygote, your ovule and ovary also develop. Here you can see after fertilization, ovule develop. Ovule is the innermost part of fruit, and ovule develop into the seed. So ovule becomes the seed, and the outermost part of ovule is the ovary. The ovary develop into the fruit which protect the seed. तो तुम्हारा जो ओव्यूल इनरमोस्ट पूरा अंदर का पार्ट है तुम्हारा ओव्यूल, और उसके ऊपरी भाग जो ओवरी होता है और डेवलप होता है फ्रूट में, एंड दैट फ्रूट प्रोटेक्ट द सीड. If you take apple or mango, you can easily see in apple, if you cut the apple in the middle, inside of the apple 2 or more than seeds are there, and the fruit part is covered the seeds and it protect to the seed. Then we see structure of a seed. A seed contain the embryo and 1 or 2 seed leaves. So in this picture you can see the embryo with 2 seed leaves, and the seed leaves are called cotyledon, and these seed leaves are known as cotyledons. They store food for the growing embryo. So this cotyledons store food for the embryo. Here you can see where it store food for embryo, and which one is embryo, which one is your cotyledon. You now you are clear. And the brown part is the seed coat. Okay, the outer covering of the seed is called the seed coat. The browny part is called seed coat. Then we discuss about your most important thing, seed germination. So what is germination? Germination is the process by which a seed develop into a young plant. So germination is the journey of a seed to a seedling, passes through many stages of growth. So many stages are passes, then this final result, seed germination complete. So in first stage you can see in the early a seed is placed moist soil, it absorbs the water. You can see in the picture, okay, the water around it. The water then reaches the beginning of baby plant or the embryo within the seed. In the second stage, this make the embryo grow and increase in size. Eventually the embryo breaks the seed coat and comes out into the seed. In third, the roots come out first into the soil, and this fixes the baby plant into the soil and helps the root absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Then the shoot comes from the seed and grow towards the sun, and the pair of leaves come out from the seed with the shoot are called cotyledons. Then the root grow longer and the shoot becomes green and sprout more leaves. This is a young plant and it is called as seedling. All these stages of germination are essential and very important also. This all process are known as germination. Okay, thank you.